What's going on, guys? Jarrett here. Got this product from the company to review for this video, and I am so excited about this. This is actually the Omaha Steaks line of food that they have. So I actually already dug into this and had some of the fillets that were in here, and they were so good. So now I'm going to be cooking up the rest of the fillets right here, and then we're also going to cook a couple burgers today. And this is the size of the burgers. You're going to keep everything frozen until you're ready to use it. So these just go right on the grill. These have been de-thawed and ready to go. And then the chicken is also ready to go, but we're going to cook that up actually tomorrow. It also comes with some desserts too, which I'm really curious about. These are some apple tarts, and you just cook these in the oven. You put some parchment paper on a tray, heat that up, bake this for a little bit, and then these are good to go. And they look so good, just even inside the bag. They also come with ballpark franks too, which I've never had the Omaha ballpark franks before, but they look like they're going to be the larger size. Oh yeah, it's going to be a great meal for us. We're going to have once again, the burgers, the steak. We're going to save the chicken and the hot dogs for tomorrow night for when the kids come back home, because the kids are probably going to want to just have the chicken and the hot dogs. But you also get the Omaha steak seasoning as well, so you can go ahead and put this on your meat. But they give you a good amount, so even if you use all your meats, you can still use this on anything extra that you have later on.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. So if you guys were thinking about getting the Omaha steak package, this is fantastic. The burgers taste so good. The steaks cook quickly, so just kind of watch those. This looks delicious. Definitely say check this out. Everything tastes and looks amazing, so check it out.